everybody, it's Sheila from home office and I'm here with Allison and we are coming at you, talking to you again today about
Album kits,
which is our new innovation and the best way for you to start scrapbooking or continue on with a hobby that you love.
And Sheila, we're about to hand it off to Annalisa to show you this new album kit, but maybe we can give a few little hints to everyone watching.
I would love everyone to drop in the chat what theme you think is coming next. This is coming out next month in May. So we're going to take a few seconds, wait and see if we get some guesses. Now we're going to sneak peek it here.
The cover choices.
You got two.
What do we think? Da, 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 da.
Da, 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 da. It is a perfect match, the wedding album collection. We are so excited for those of you who, are about to get married, have already gotten married, or got married 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, behind on your wedding album, or you want to do a refresh. This is the perfect kit for you.
All right. Can't wait to see what Annalisa has for you. Let's go unbox with her.
Thanks, Sheila and Allison. What a week it has been here at Creative Memories with Album Kit Week. I know I am such a fan of album kits, and I've created two so far because I just started at Creative Memories a little over a year ago, so I had a lot of catching up to do. So album kits, I am always here to get hyped up about them. My name's Annalisa. I'm the creative content manager here at Creative Memories, and I have been cooking something up for you guys that I'm super excited to share. But I think first things first, you probably want to see what is in this box. So let's do an unboxing. Okay, so we first have the album kit guidebook, the same album kit guidebook that you know and love from the other album kits. It leads you from start to finish to complete your album kits. And we can take this off. And we have our stickers. Now we have 16 pairs of stickers. That's 32 border stickers total for your 32 individual pages. We love those. And we have our perfect match embellishments. And if you didn't already know, these embellishments are labeled on the back by layout, so you know exactly where to place them. It means you're not digging through your whole stash of embellishments to find what you're looking for from the guidebook. It is separated into these 4 tiers to make it super easy. Of course, we have our repositionable tape runner. Repositionable is my favorite, so I'm glad we get one of those. And then on to our papers. So every album kit has 16 spreads. That is 32 individual pages to complete your album. It starts here with our title page, and it goes all the way through layouts 15. So we have that here. But in addition to that, it comes with a pre-assembled album. This is great because if you are gifting this to maybe someone who isn't familiar with Creative Memories products, these pages are already added to your album. So all they have to do is just slide in their layouts that they create. So one thing I love about this is the beautiful foil on this album. Caramel is probably my favorite color of the 3 that you will find out as we get closer to launch. But I am loving this beautiful vine here. A very pretty touch to a wedding album. So I'm gonna pack these up here. And like I said, it comes with this guidebook, but for me, when I'm creating my album kits, I don't always follow the rules, and that is what I want to show you guys. So I have come up with something I like to call Album Kit Club. So starting on May 27th at 5 p.m. Central Time, we are going to be meeting every other week to work on our album kits together virtually. So there will be 8 sessions, and each session we will meet virtually together and go through 2 album kit spreads. each time we go through these spreads, I'm going to show you little ways to color outside the lines, whether it's trying some inking techniques, whether it's using a BMC in an unexpected place, because you don't even need to use a BMC on this at all to make a beautiful album, but it's fun to experiment a little. Or I can show you just ways that you can incorporate more photos. So I'm super excited about Album Kit Club. Again, it's going to start on May 27th. That is a Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central Time. We're going to meet every other week through the summer. That will be 8 sessions, and we're going to go through 2 pages per week. So 2 layouts per week. So we have 2 spreads. So I think the first week we would start with the title and the end page and then layout 1. And then the next week we'll go layout 2, layout 3, all the way to the end. So I'm super excited to show you a couple fun techniques. We're going to experiment together a little bit, and it's going to be a fun way for us to get our albums done together. So what's great about Album Kit Club is that you can participate no matter which album kit you're working on. I'm going to be working on my wedding album, so I'll be using Perfect Match, but you might be working on your travel album and using Global Getaway, or making a Bundle of Joy album for your granddaughter. Whatever it might be, you can participate along just like I am, because all of our album kits match across the cutting guides. So that will be awesome. And if you are interested in using Perfect Match, if you do purchase that on launch day, you will be able to get that by our second week of Album Kit Club. And so that will arrive by then. It will be great. You can join, and don't worry, all of these will be saved on the pages. So if you need to catch up, you can go back to week 1, or you can start with me at week 1 together. So I'm so excited to launch this, but I think the first thing you need to do is sign up. So you will be able to sign up either through a QR code, which is here on the screen, and we will also follow up this video with an email that will have the sign up form for you. So next step after you sign up, we need to get organizing. So you can place 104 photos on the layouts, but I'm going to show you ways to add more photos to your album if you need to. So you can start organizing your photos, figure out what album you're going to want to do, whether it's a trip to the coast, your granddaughter's first year, or maybe just an anniversary album. I think that would be a really fun way to use the Perfect Match album kit. So I have my photos here. I'm going to be organizing them over the next couple of weeks, making sure I know how my album is going to be laid out. And I hope you guys can do that too, so you guys are all ready to start Album Kit Club with me in the end of May. Again, that will be May 27th at 5 p.m. Central Time. We're going to start Album Kit Club, and that's going to go every other Wednesday through the summer. We're going to have 8 sessions. I'm so excited for this journey for all of us. We're all going to do this together. We're all going to complete our albums together, and it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to see you there.